How to upload a landscape video on Instagram Reels on Android. This tutorial shows you how to post a landscape video to your Instagram Reels without it getting cropped or cut off. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Tap on the plus icon at the top left to create a new post. From there, tap on Reel at the bottom of the options. At this point, browse your videos. From there, select the landscape video you want to upload. After that, once the video loads in the editor, you will notice it is cropped into a vertical format by default. In the next step, pinch outward on the video preview with 2 fingers to zoom out and reveal the full landscape frame. From there, adjust the positioning until the full width of your video is visible in the frame. Once done, tap on the arrow or next button to proceed. Following this, add any captions, hashtags, or audio if needed. From here, tap on Share to post your landscape video to your Reels. At this stage, keep in mind that Instagram Reels is designed for vertical 9:16 content, so landscape videos will appear with black bars on the top and bottom when viewed in full screen. This is normal and cannot be avoided within the Instagram app itself. And that's it. If this guide helped you upload a landscape video on Instagram Reels, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.